Welcome back students to class of science. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 6, that is flower. In this video we will learn about the flower and its various parts. So let's start. Flower. A flower is generally has a stalk by which it is attached to the stem or a branch. The flower may differ in color, size and shape, but their basic structure remain the same. You can see in the diagram that they have calyx, capsule, seed, bracteate. They are the different parts of flower. So let's study them one by one. Parts of typical flower. Flower has different parts. First is sepal, second petal, third stamen, fourth carpel or pistil. First part is sepal. You can see in the diagram or in the picture that this green portion, a green small leaf, is sepals. They form the first or the outermost hole. They are generally small, green and leaf-like. They protect the flower bud before it opens. They are clearly visible as green structure enclosing a flower bud, but in a flower they are present as small structure at the base near the stalk. Now petals. You can see in the garden or in flower there are various colorful petals which attracts you or which attracts insects also. They are the petals. They form the second hole inner to sepal. They are generally large colored and show. They may have fragrance also. They help in pollination by attracting insects. You can see in the picture these are the petals of a flower. Now stamen. They form the third hole inner two petals. Each stamen has two parts, filament and anther. Filament is a long, slender stalk. Anther is bilobed structure present on the tip of filament. Anther contain pollen grains. You can see in the picture that in the below picture this white stalk is called filament and the upper portion is anther. It is bilobed. It is also called the male reproductive part of flower. Now carpel or pistil. It is called female reproductive part. They form the fourth or the innermost hole of flower. Each carpel has three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is generally sticky in nature as pollen grain stick or this part receive the pollen grain. Then style, it is the neck of carpel to which stigma is attached. Ovary is the swollen basal part. It contains ovules. During pollination, pollen grains fall on the stigma of flower. Pollen grains germinate and fertilization take place. After fertilization, ovary turn into fruit and ovule becomes seed. So in the picture you can see this is stigma receive the pollen grain and then from this tube that is called style, pollen grain reaches to ovule. After fertilization, this ovule turn into seed and this ovary turn into fruit. Now you can easily understand flower and its various parts. Thank you for watching this video.